Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to permanently delete APK files on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Google or Android might change the user interface of the following steps in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Sometimes we end up downloading applications which are not available on the Google Play Store. We download them in the form of APK files. When we download them and when we install them, those APK files will be still available on our device, occupying plenty of storage space. We will see how to remove them easily now. To do this, we are going to use the Files by Google app. This is available on the Play Store. We can download this for free. This is a pretty good file management app by Google. So after installing, we just have to open the app. Then we have to go to the app section here. And then we have to go to this app install files APKs. Select that. So here we can see the list of applications we downloaded online or the ones that got transferred to our phone. We can also filter this by the largest one. We can do that. So we can select the one we don't want and then we can move this to bin. We can confirm again and move this to bin. Then we can go back, go to this hamburger menu, go to bin. And here we can delete them permanently. That's all. We can also use any advanced file management tool like Solid Explorer to search our entire internal storage for any missed APK files. We can download this from the Play Store. Then we can open it and we can use the search option at the top to search for .apk. Then we will get this list. We can see all the APK files we downloaded or got transferred from someone via WhatsApp or Telegram. We have the option to move this to trash or delete them permanently. We can do that. That's all. Apart from these, we can also try using the default file management app on our smartphone. For example, we have My Files app on our OnePlus smartphone. We can open it. And we have the APK section here. We can select that and we can see the APK file here and we can delete them through this. That's all. These are the steps to permanently delete APK files on our Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.